All right, at 638 Surrey Lane, Augusta, Georgia. It's 1:25 p.m. July 6, 2025. About 85 degrees out here. Going to be doing a shingle repairability assessment by simulating a repair to one of these wind damaged shingles. I'm on the right slope of the home, and going to see how taking the shingle out, putting it back in, putting nails back in affects the surrounding shingles. So. Alright, be taking these nails out. Gonna lift these shingles up high enough to see the nail and pop it out. That nail head went through the shingle. There's now a nail head sized hole in this shingle. I'm gonna go up underneath to get that nail out. See, nail size hole. This shingle will be coming out, so it doesn't necessarily cause it to not be repairable. Quite a grain of loss coming off these shingles already. That nail came all the way through the shingle. There's now a nail head sized hole in here. Underneath, take this nail out. As you can see, the entire nail head came through that shingle. It's now damaged. Alright, and repair, we'll take this shingle out. In simulation, putting the same shingle back in. Utilizing a roofing hatchet and 1 1/4 roofing nail. Gonna be lifting these shingles up high enough to get the nail perpendicular to the roofing surface. Right there is the minimum I can go. I gotta lift it just slightly more than that so I don't damage the shingle with the hammer. I can already see some creasing on these shingles. 1/4 roofing hatchet, 1 1/4 nail, just enough to get it up perpendicular to roofing surface. Same thing on each one, just minimum lifting. You can see this shingle's already got a pretty significant crease on it. A lot of grainy loss. Again, that's minimum. I'm not going to use a roof snake because I'm not going to risk shattering hardened steel to hardened steel. That would be foolish and unsafe on my part. This is the only way to do this without jeopardizing my eyesight. All right, now we've got the finished product. This is the original shingle. You can see the wind damage here. And if you look at the 2 courses of shingles above it, I see creasing all right there. Creasing here, creasing here, creasing there. And this is before I wipe away any granules. So obviously see creasing along pretty much the entire top of this shingle, entire top of here, this shingle right here, all creased, all creased. On here, there's basically no difference between the damage to this wind damage shingle that was paid for by insurance and the damage that results from trying to do these repairs. I'm gonna go ahead, wipe away the loose granules on these shingles. It's just gonna show any loose granules that are gonna come off if you get a light wind or next time we get a chance of rain. You can see more granules just coming off the shingles here. And I can do this to a shingle that's up here, no granules come off. So you can see even greater creasing here, all across the shingle, here, there. So there's no way to individually repair these shingles on this roof. The shingles are too brittle. Attempting to repair this wind damaged shingle resulted in damaging 3 shingles above it. So in order to do this repair on the initial shingle, 3 more shingles are now getting damaged. That isn't going to bring this roof back to pre-loss condition, and that warrants a full roof replacement. So consider this a fail.